Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and this is the weekly Forex market forecast. And we're looking at the Euro USD, GBP USD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. So let's get started. Now, we're starting with the Euro USD currency pair. Now, what's up with the Euro USD? We've seen price come into the zone, and it had this reaction, something I predicted in one of the videos I made earlier, or I mean some weeks ago. And now we have price has come into the zone and giving us a close. So what are we going to do? Let's take a look at the weekly, okay, and then the monthly. And we can clearly see it's been quite a bearish market, but we've seen the market push higher in recent times, right? We can see that clearly in the weekly time frame. Now let's go down to the daily. What should we expect? Now for this one, now I'm quite skeptical about this, but what I would suggest is that if we see price open up, on Monday, and price gives us a bearish day close below this zone after interacting with the 1.05181 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a sell, you can go for a one-to-one, or you can even hold till price comes into this zone, this 1.03440, right? And that is if it meets your confirmation. Don't take any trade that doesn't meet your confirmation. So that would be my suggestion for this one, right? That would be my first prediction rather. But if price comes higher, if price comes into this 1.06402 zone and gives a bearish day close below that zone, then I would also suggest that you go for a sell. You can go. In fact, I'm more inclined to look out for this the sell at this zone than I am at this to look for one at this zone, right? Because I just think this, if it comes into the zone, it's a lot better to look for sales at that 1.06402 zone. Now, if price gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can look for a sell, and you can go for a one-to-one, or better still, you can hold the sell till it comes into this 1.04666, or even lower than that, and you can even hold it till it continues the downward trend. Now, that's my prediction for the Euro USD currency pair. So now let's go to the GBP USD. What's GBP USD telling us? Well, GBP USD pushed higher, and we see that we have these zones right here. There was a minor zone I saw earlier, but I just deleted that zone because I thought it was not so significant to take trades from. So now if we see price come into either of the 1.26772 or the 1.27308 zones, and it gives us a bearish day close at any of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell. Go for a one-to-one sell at any of those zones, right? Because of the bearish day close. Now, looking at this, we can already see this break of structure. We can see looking at the weekly time frame, we can already see that break of structure. Market has broken below that structure, but it has held at this other structure. So now I'm in between calling this a bearish move or bullish. I don't know which. It's not so clear right now, but what I would suggest is that you go for a one-to-one and leave it at a one-to-one, because the direction of this market isn't really clear right now. Yeah, but if you're just going off by the fact that it broke this zone, it broke below this zone, then I would suggest you go for more than a one-to-one or look for a trend continuation. But since we are not sure, you can just go for a one-to-one sell. Don't forget, that's only if it meets your confirmation. Don't take any trade that does not meet your own personal trading confirmations. So that's for GBP USD. Let's go to the USDCHF currency pair. Now for USDCHF, let's check the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, you've seen that zigzag, you've seen the range, breaking out of the range and, pushing higher and coming down back and all that, So the trend isn't clear. The trend isn't really clear right now. That's what I would say. But for the current move in the market, what should we expect? Well, this is what I would suggest. If price gives us a bullish day close, okay, I don't think I would look at that. I don't think I'll look for a bullish day close there. I'll rather look for a bullish opportunity down here. If price comes into this zone, this 0.89266 zone, and it gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you can go for a buy, or you can go for a buy. That could be an opportunity to buy the market. Go for a one-to-one and be good with your one-to-one right there. Go for it. I'm talking one-to-one RR, and be good with that. Yeah. Or better still, you can hold and risk to see if it will come back into this 0.90303 zone. That's also a possibility right there, and that's definitely quite. We should be over a one-to-one right there. That's for USDCHF or bullish opportunity. Now for a bearish opportunity, we see price come back into this 0.91913 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone. Then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a sell, and in fact, in this case, you can go for a one-to-one or even more than a one-to-one, because this might serve as a double top. This might serve as a double top, and we've seen, although there isn't so much distance between this particular double tops right here. There isn't so much distance. We see how effective this particular double top was, right? So how much learning. So if we get another one, there's a possibility it also turns out to be a very effective opportunity right there. We might see price fall off, come into the zone, this 0.90300, or even below that, or even down to this zone, and it might even be an opportunity to sell, because even when we take a closer look at the market, we see that though it's a ranging market, it still favors more of the sellers. It still favors a lot more of selling than other opportunities right there. So let's go to, that's for USDCHF. Let's go to the USDJPY. So for USDJPY, what should we be expecting? Well, what I'll be expecting is quite simple and straightforward, just the same way I do all the analysis. Okay. Yeah, so I saw this prediction. I saw this zone, and I think I said we shouldn't look out for any opportunity there, and you see the market has been raging around that zone. So what should we be expecting? Well, it's quite simple. If we see price come into either of the 150.778 or the 151.831 zones, if price comes into either of those zones and gives us a bullish day close above any of those zones, then I suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a buy, go for a one-to-one, and you'll be good. Now you can also go for, if either of those zones, if price gives us a bullish day close, you can go for a buy, go for a one-to-one, or you can even go for more than a one-to-one, because this is a very bullish trend right now. Look at that. It's a very bullish trend. So you can definitely hold if you want, if you're willing to take that risk, to 156.298, right? But you need to be careful, because it's a very bullish market, but doesn't mean that it cannot continue bearish. Yeah, so you have to be careful. so you don't lose the profit that you could have made, right? That's one thing that's always very painful for traders. Losing what profit that they could have taken, it's not a good one at all. Yeah, so that's it. Now if price also comes into the 161.741 zone, of course that's quite obvious. You can, and you see a sell opportunity, you see market give a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest that you go for a one-to-one. Go for a one-to-one RR and you'll be good. One-to-one and you'll be good. Now don't go for more than one-to-one. That's my advice, because this is a very bearish market. I mean, this is a very bullish market. And you definitely do not want to overstay your welcome in a market like this. So now let's take a look at the products that I offer. Now, first of all, it's the account management service. Now you can let me manage your forex account. If I manage a forex account, you get as much as 20% and even much more monthly, right? This is the account management service that I offer. My contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and chat me up. It's my direct Telegram contact. Let's have a conversation on this business and how you can be part. How can you can come on board. So now, yeah, referral commissions. If you get someone to do business with me, you get a 15% commission from the profit that I made. Now, from my own part of the profit, you get a 15% commission, and that's it. So now let's check out the next one. Yeah, the next one is the premium FOREX Signal service. The premium FOREX Signal service goes for $200 monthly. This is where I give out my highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level of profitability with ease and speed. So now with this, you get highly profitable trading signals because the trading systems that I use have been have been tested, well tested over the years, and they are trusted, and they would help you make a lot of money. Now, this is not a bluff, this is just what it is. And if you're one of those who ask questions like, if you're making money, why are you offering these services? Why are you managing trading accounts, or why are you selling signals? Well, the truth is, if I'm making money trading, since I'm making money trading, why not also make more money trading, right? Giving out the same signals that I used to make money to others so they can also profit as well, or even manage other people's accounts and make money from the commissions I get. So that's just what it is. There's something called multiple streams of income, and this is just me practicing that. This is just me practicing that, and also being able to help people is also very important for me, since I'm helping people make money and also I'm getting money doing so as well. It's a win-win as far as I'm concerned. So that is it for the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, oh okay, I don't think I spoke much about this. The premium FOREX Signal service goes for $200 monthly. The value you get is a lot more than the $200 that you get to pay for it. And also, my contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link. It's my direct Telegram contact. Let me know you would like to get this. You like to be on the signal service, and you like to get signals from me, and I'll let you know how you can go about it. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.